Hey guys, this is Mama May. Today I just wanted to share with you what happened when I checked out at Rite Aid. So on my first card, when I scanned my card at the beginning of the transaction, it asked if I wanted to use 59 cents. And that 59 cents is indeed the plenty points that I had left on this card. So it is now letting you use up the remaining plenty points if you have less than $2. So go ahead and use up any plenty points you have left. Now it did ring up really weird in comparison to how this receipt did. So I only paid $3.41. I used 59 cents in reward money, it says, but I actually, these $3 coupons are bonus cash. So my total here was actually 10 something and it used those up, and then my cash and the plenty points. I do not know what these two $3, I just can't figure out what they're from. If anybody else has any guesses, I don't know. But yeah, so you can use your plenty points up now if it's less than $2, and it just kind of rings up a little weird on your receipt. Now this card, I did not have any plenty points left on it. I had $9 available, and at the beginning of the transaction, it asked me just like it would on that little keypad if I want to use the $9. And I clicked yes, and my total is $10.66 actually. I used the $9 in bonus cash, and then I had to pay $1.66. These are just coupons that beep that she had to push through. So this is actually easier way that it reads for you. Yes, I'm not sure yet how it works if you have more bonus cash than what your total adds up to. So if anybody knows how that worked out for you, just go ahead and leave it in the comments below. I also wanted to let you know that on my receipt, it is not showing the amount that you've earned in bonus cash. I don't know if it's because they're lumping it all together now, but it just says, it's like blank here, where it would say $2, $5, $3. Now it does show the tracking, but it does not show the actual amount. When I checked my account, it's not showing up yet, obviously, because it hasn't been 24 hours, or it hasn't been the next day yet, and it's not available to spend. But yeah, I'm interested to see how that shows up in my account. I will check that probably in the morning. Alright guys, that's it for now, and I will be putting up my haul video next.